For how many times we wish we could control the traffic lights when we are stuck behind the red light? Now, probably this is the time to try it. Hi everyone, this is Majid again, Digital Creation Specialist at One Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to set up and code a simple traffic light set on Tinkercad circuits. Before the green light turns off, let's dive in.
Like the other Arduino projects, I'm using Tinkercad Circuits web-based program. So if you want to know more about that, please watch my previous tutorial about Blink projects on Tinkercad. For who are familiar with Tinkercad, you know that we should go to tinkercad.com and make an account, and then go to the circuits and create new circuits. But today I'm working on my previous, I'm going to extend my previous project, Blink project. So I'm using the same project, but you can go and start a new project. So I'm clicking on that and click on TinkerDis. And as you remember that for Blink projects, we need an LED, a resistor, and Arduino board. I'm going to use a technique that's very popular among of people working on coding on electronics. I mean, we have a project like Blink, and we see that how we can extend that project to make a bigger projects like traffic lights. Blink has only one LED. On traffic lights, we have 3 LEDs, red, yellow, and green. So the way a traffic light works is like 3 different Blink projects connected to each other. So in traffic light, we have a red light. When the red light is turned on, 2 other lights are turned off. So it's like a blink. And I'm going to add more LEDs to the project with resistors to make 3 different Blinks projects on here and attach each of those LEDs to one of the pins here. At this moment, it doesn't matter which pin, so because I wanted to make a distance between those 3 LEDs, I'm connecting the second LED to number 8 and the third LED to number 4. So I can bring a LED here from this component generator, or I can go just make copy and paste of these. So if I pick, for example, LED, shift key down and resistor, and then Control C, Control V, it duplicates this for me, so I don't need to go and pick the different LEDs. So this is ready, just changing the color of the LED number 2 from red to yellow, and then again copy and paste for the third one and connect and change the color to green. So I have 3 different LEDs in different colors, red, yellow, and green, and resistor. Just need to connect those to each other. So super easy to do. And then we can connect all of them in one ground pin. Doesn't matter. Just change the color to black. Just to remind you that there is no difference between this ground pin and these 2. I'm connecting the last LED to that and change the color. So it seems that our hardware part is ready. We have 3 LEDs in different colors connected to the resistors, connected to the pins and grounds, and they are ready for coding. So If we go to the coding part, so Blink Projects has its own coding, but just to do some practices and learn the pattern, I'm going to start coding from scratch. We need to set up the pins for output. So number 13, as you remember, is connected to this LED, so I can use this line of coding for output, set built-in LED. But again, just for practice, I'm using this one and change it to number 13. So what's happening, I'm going to set number 13 high. This is turning on the red LED for 5 seconds. So this is the way I'm going to do again, turning on the red LED for 5 seconds, the others are turned off, and then the yellow or orange LED in the middle for 2 seconds, and then again for green 5 seconds. So at the same time this one is turned on, I wanted to set these two to be off. So I will add number 8 and number 4 to be off. So for 5 seconds at the beginning, red light will be high, on, 2 others will be low, off for 5 seconds. And then what's happening? Then the second one is high, these 2 are low, and continuously. But I'm not going to add the same process. I just grab this one and put duplicate. So I have the same pattern, duplicate, and again I'm going to duplicate this one. So this is for the red light, this is for the orange light, and this is for the green light. So I'm just going to change the setting on these two. So for the second part, the first light should be low, the second light should be high, and the third one again low, and it's just for 2 seconds. And for the last one, low, the second one low, the third one high, the green one high, and again it's 5 seconds. So what's happening here? At the beginning, red light is high, and then the second part, yellow or orange one, is high, and the last one, the green, pin number 4, will be high. So let's try it and see if it works or not. If not, we have to see what's the problem. So 5 seconds, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. There is one issue here. As you see, when it turns from red to orange, it's good, but when it's coming back from green to red, it should come back to yellow or orange and then red, but it's going directly from green to red, and that's the problem. So that's another thing you should know, that this is the way any engineer in electronics do that. They just set up a project, test it, and see which area has an issue and then fix that issue. So we are going to fix the issue we have. So it seems that the easiest way to do that is just copy these parts and do this the same at the end of this. This is one way. There are other ways, because we have this coding. There are other ways, but Those ways are a little more complicated, using, for example, functions. We just use the easiest one. So I'm going to duplicate this part again. So this is the same part for the middle one. So I'm just repeat the middle one. So low, high, low for 2 seconds. Let's try it and see if the problem is solved or not. Red for 5 seconds, and then yellow for 2 seconds, green for 5 seconds, and then come back to yellow for 2 seconds, and then go to the red seconds.
I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please remember to search us, One Public Libraries, on YouTube for more educational videos like this. Thanks for watching our videos. See you soon.